I can't give up. I can't give up now. You see, I've come too far to turn around now. Can I say it again one more time? I can't give up. I can't give up now. You see, I'm too far to turn around now. One more thing, yeah. You see, too many years I lay awake at night and I shed too many tears. But the Lord has brought me over too many rocks and rivers, Lord. I've come too far to turn around now. Sometimes while I'm on this journey, my body sometimes get all rocking with pain. But I know all of my works down here won't be in vain. I'm glad I got a Billboard rock, people will, but one day I'm gonna make it. To the top of the hill, Lord, I come too far to turn around now. Sometimes when I turn to my right side, I see trouble outside my door. I see trouble in the school. But then I turn to my left side, I see killing in the neighborhood. I see killing on the news. What we need is healing and healing and healing and healing. More healing.
English is gonna have